In the previous lecture, we learned about the superscript and subscript elements. In this lecture, we're going to learn about HTML comments. HTML has a convenient method to record comments in the code. The reason for this is that it enables you to add comments anywhere or in certain parts of your code. This is useful to explain about what your code does or how it works. Now, the comments are totally overlooked by the browser and unable to be seen by the user. To add an HTML comment, you start by adding a less than symbol followed by an exclamation mark, and then two dash symbols. Okay, so this is the opening HTML comment, and the closing comment is two dash symbols and the greater than symbol. There. Okay, now this is the opening HTML comment, and this is the closing HTML comment. Now between these tags, it's where you add the text. So I'm going to add invisible to the user. I'm going to save it, refresh the browser, and you don't see that text in there, right? The sentence is not there because, once again, it's invisible. Now, if we remove this, HTML comments, then we would obviously see the sentence. So I'm gonna, also you can use the HTML comment to disable other elements, like this. Let's say that you want to disable some part of your code, and you can just add it like this. Okay, save it, and we're only gonna see one sentence, which is this one, the chemical formula, and there it is. Well, we only see one sentence. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna learn about the anchor element.